Science and technology drive each other forward and often lead to insights and discoveries along the way. With the invention of high-speed photography, we finally saw the most basic elements of our watery planet in action. Understanding how a tiny raindrop falls through the atmosphere does more than debunk the myth that a raindrop falls like a teardrop. It actually makes a difference when it comes to measuring precipitation. In particular, for ground radars. Ground radars look at the sides of the raindrops and then estimate the vertical and horizontal size. A heavier, flatter drop allows radars to identify heavier precipitation. In fact, the two radars on board the GPM satellite can also measure drop sizes from space, and so a more accurate look at raindrops gives us a more accurate look at how global rainfall is shaping up.